Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week kitchen. Today I'm cooking some delicious turkey meatballs and I'm going to cook them in the pasta sauce that I made the other week, and I've had it in the freezer. It's the pasta sauce with all the hidden vegetables in. So if you can get your children to eat this, they're not only getting the turkey meatballs, they're getting all the hidden vegetables packed into the sauce, and it really is delicious. As always, I'm going to cook enough for 2 meals, so one meal is going into the freezer for another day and another we're going to eat today. Another day I'm going to be cooking halloumi kebabs, which are delicious and vegetarian, so quick, easy and economical. Today I'm making turkey meatballs, so I've got 1 kilo of mince, turkey mince in the bowl. I've got 2 slices of brown bread. We're going to make that into breadcrumbs. 1 beaten egg, a heaped teaspoonful of English mustard, a small chopped onion, very fine. Put that in. Some salt, some vegetable oil, and some black pepper. So first of all, break up the bread roughly and place it in the little mini chopper. Very useful this for making breadcrumbs and grinding nuts, etc. So put the lid on that. That's it. Press the button and away it goes. No, it doesn't. I forgot to put the blade in. Oh dear. There, it's as quick as that. So I'm adding in the breadcrumbs without the blade. The beaten egg, the salt, black pepper and the English mustard. So we're going to give this, that's the microwave by the way, give this a good old mix very thoroughly until it's all completely combined. Now in this bowl I've got 4 portions of a recipe I did a few weeks ago called healthy pasta sauce. So we're going to cook the meatballs in that sauce and serve them with spaghetti. So it's all had a very thorough mix. So I'm going to take little portions with clean wet hands. You'll notice I've also taken my rings off, or you may not notice, but I don't want my rings contaminated with raw turkey. You've got to be so careful with poultry. So just roll them like that into little meatballs, and I shall continue like that till they're all portioned up. And I've got the oven set at gas 6, 200 centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit. going to wash my hands again before I touch the camera. So that mixture's made 30 meatballs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook half of them and I'm going to put the rest in the freezer for another day. So that this effort will make 2 good-sized family meals. So I'm going to put about, let me see, there's 3 of us tonight. One of us has a very big appetite because he's only 21. So we'll make it 13. Now I'm going to pour the oil over, just drizzle it over, and I'm going to cook those in the oven till they start to brown, and then I shall keep turning them. And when they're browned all over, I'll add in the sauce and we'll cook them for another half hour. So the meatballs have browned nicely now, so I'm just going to pour over the sauce and then I'll pop everything back in the oven for another half an hour. So there's plenty of sauce there to go with the meatballs and the spaghetti. Going to be yummy. So the meatballs are cooked now, so I'm just going to sprinkle the top, just the meatballs, with some mozzarella, and then pop it back in the oven for about 5 minutes till the mozzarella melts, and then I'm going to serve it up with the spaghetti. Lovely. Back in the oven for you, my love. Another 5 minutes. So there you go. Spaghetti with turkey meatballs and healthy tomato sauce. Packed with vegetables. So that's a good hearty meal. Hope you have a go at that and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.